Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Spaghetti aglio e olio, a simple Italian classic perfected. When it comes to Italian cuisine, few dishes embody simplicity like spaghetti aglio e olio. With just a handful of pantry staples, garlic, olive oil, pasta, and a sprinkle of parsley, this humble recipe transforms into something undeniably elegant. Originating from Naples, it's a testament to how flavorful cooking doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Quick to prepare and packed with bold flavors, this dish is perfect for busy weeknights or impressing guests without breaking a sweat. The history of spaghetti aglio e olio. Spaghetti aglio e olio is more than just a meal. It's a story of resourcefulness, tradition, and the Italian love for good food. Originating in Naples, this beloved pasta dish has humble beginnings yet continues to shine as a staple in kitchens across the globe. Its simple ingredients reflect the essence of Southern Italian cuisine, making the most of what's available and turning it into something extraordinary. Neapolitan roots and the art of simplicity. Born in Naples, the heart of southern Italy, spaghetti aglio e olio epitomizes cucina povera, or poor kitchen. This culinary philosophy developed during times of economic hardship when families relied on easy-to-find, affordable ingredients to create hearty meals. With little more than garlic, olive oil, and pasta, home cooks crafted a dish that not only satisfied but celebrated the natural flavors of the region. The Neapolitan diet heavily relies on the natural abundance provided by the Mediterranean climate. Olive oil, often referred to as liquid gold, has always been a cornerstone of their cooking. In this dish, it's not just a supporting ingredient but the star, carrying the mellow, aromatic flavor of garlic and binding the dish together with a silky finish. This perfect balance of flavors embodies Southern Italian ingenuity, showing that even the simplest meals can feel indulgent. A reflection of Southern Italian identity. In Southern Italy, food is an extension of life and culture. Dishes like spaghetti aglio e olio aren't just about sustenance. They tell a story of family gatherings, bustling kitchens, and a deep respect for tradition. Garlic, for instance, isn't simply an ingredient. It's a reminder of the region's agricultural heritage and the vital role local produce plays in daily cooking. What makes this dish special is its versatility. Historically served as a quick, comforting meal for laborers, it later gained a more refined touch in Italian homes and trattorias. Today, it's equally at home as a midnight snack or the centerpiece of a casual dinner party. Its adaptability is why it survived generations and changes in dining trends, comparisons to other simple Italian favorites. Spaghetti aglio e olio isn't alone in its simplicity. It shares its philosophy with other iconic dishes from Italy, such as cacio e pepe and pasta al pesto. While cacio e pepe focuses on cheese and pepper, and pasta al pesto centers around fragrant basil, aglio e olio distinguishes itself with its bold use of garlic paired with the smooth richness of olive oil. Each of these dishes proves that Italian cuisine doesn't need elaborate sauces or exotic ingredients to create something unforgettable. Much like a well-told story needs no embellishment, these dishes remind us that sometimes less truly is more. Italians have long mastered the art of restraint in cooking, letting a few high-quality ingredients do all the work. The enduring legacy of spaghetti aglio e olio. Though its place of origin is deeply rooted in Naples, spaghetti aglio e olio has traveled far, capturing hearts worldwide. It's a dish that effortlessly adapts to modern kitchens while staying fiercely loyal to its origins. Global chefs and home cooks alike continue to preserve its authenticity, recognizing that its charm lies in its honest simplicity. Without overcomplicating the process, this dish serves as a reminder of where we've come from and the joy of savoring life's simplest pleasures. Essential ingredients for spaghetti aglio e olio. The beauty of spaghetti aglio e olio lies in its simplicity, but don't be fooled, every ingredient matters. Because this dish relies on just a few components, choosing high-quality items and preparing them with care is key to achieving its signature balance of flavors. Let's break down the essentials and how they work together to create this classic. Choosing the right olive oil. Olive oil isn't just an ingredient here. It's the foundation of this dish. Specifically, extra virgin olive oil is non-negotiable. Why? It brings a depth of flavor and silky texture that ordinary cooking oils can't match. The fruity and slightly peppery notes of extra virgin olive oil complement the garlic and pasta beautifully, acting as the sauce that ties everything together. When selecting a bottle, look for these signs of quality. First, cold pressed. This ensures the oil is extracted without heat, preserving its flavor and nutrients. Dark glass bottle. Olive oil sensitive to light, so bottles that protect it from exposure are a sign of care and quality. Origin. Opt for oils from regions known for their olive oil, like Italy, Spain, or Greece. Labels like DOP, Protected Designation of Origin, can also indicate authenticity. While a small investment in good olive oil might initially feel unnecessary, the difference it makes in this dish is worth every penny. And that's how you make spaghetti aglio e olio. Simple, flavorful, and satisfying. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll share even more tips to elevate this dish. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.